Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter, and I just want to do a quick little review on an item that I just got. Now, let's get to it. Alright, so I actually already opened this from the Amazon packaging, but I still wanted to do a review on it because I thought it might be something that you guys would be interested in trying out. It's these new headphones here, and the reason that I wanted to get these is because I've been using for the last several years a pair that look like this. And these were made by the Philips brand, as you can see there. And they were nice, slim little ear covering headphones that kind of just slid over the ears. I found them to be really comfortable. I don't really find the headphones that go in your ears too often to be comfortable. And I also like how sleek they are, especially for like Zoom meetings and stuff like that. And lately, since the COVID pandemic, I've been doing a lot more stuff on Zoom, and I've been using these headphones a lot. And sadly, a couple weeks ago, I started to notice that the audio was starting to fail. I would get only audio out of one ear and then out of the other ear, and they would alternate back and forth, but it would never be steadily out of the same ears. So that was getting frustrating. And also, if you look, you can just see the inside of these were getting worn and starting to fall apart. So I decided that it was time to upgrade and try something new. So I couldn't find, unfortunately, the same ones that I had, which I would have probably got the same exact type if I could have found them, but I didn't find them on Amazon anymore, and they've probably been discontinued. But I did find these ones here, and these are by Panasonic. They're just really slim headphones, and I figured they would look sleek and nice in Zoom, so that's why I kind of wanted to try these ones out. So let's open them up and see how they work. There we go. Pop right out. And you can see them here. So, as I was saying earlier, with my old headphones, these ones here, I'll show you how they looked when they were on. They look pretty sleek. They're not the smallest, they're a little bit bigger. But I just felt like I really liked the way they were comfortable and how they didn't take up a lot of space in your head. A lot of times I see people on Zoom and they're wearing the big gaming headphones, and yeah, those are really comfortable, the over-ear ones, but they just don't look that professional, or I don't know, they just don't look appealing to me when you're talking to someone. Sometimes they're kind of distracting when you have this huge headset on and you just want something small that's not going to really attract the eye too much, especially if you're in a Zoom meeting or something like that. So let's see how these ones look on, the new ones that I just got, which again, I said they're Panasonic, and I did get them on Amazon. The cord is about the same length as the old ones. I'm hoping they're comfortable. You just kind of snap them over. Oh, they are really sleek. Like, you barely, if your head's straight, you can almost not even see that they're on your ears. Now, they feel very comfortable right now. I'll be interested to see how they feel after using them for some time. But as of right now, they're very comfortable. I'm gonna go try out the audio quality. All right, so I'm back, and I tried out the Panasonic headphones for a little bit, and I did notice that the audio quality probably is not as good as these older ones that are a little thicker as these ones were. And it's not as good as like the big, like I said before, the big gaming ones that go over your, the headset that goes over your ears. But for simple Zoom meetings or, just quick, easy, something you put on, and if you don't want them to be super noticeable, I think they were great for that. And that's the way I plan on using them, because they're so sleek and slim. You won't really notice them. They won't stand out. They won't be an eyesore. That's what I'm going to plan on using them for. So I think if that's the plan, if that's what you're looking for, then I think you'll be happy with these. Again, though, the audio quality isn't the best. You do lose something with them, but I think they're decent for what they are. That's all. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to support the channel. And until next time, stay safe.